Your child may forget the punishment, but they remember the words forever. Most parents never realize this. And point number 3 surprises almost every parent. Point 1. Angry words become their inner voice. Have you said things you regretted later? Your child often believes those words are true. They borrow your voice when judging themselves. Words stay longer than moments.
Point 2. Silence doesn't mean they forgot. Does your child act normal after arguments? They may still carry hurt inside. They won't always tell you how much. Quiet feelings still matter. Point 3. Even babies remember emotional tones. Think they're too young to understand? It's not what you think. Children feel emotions before understanding words. Your tone teaches safety or fear. Little ears remember more than parents expect.
Point 4. Repair matters more than perfection. Have you ever apologized after losing patience? That teaches something powerful. Your child learns mistakes can be repaired. Loving parents say sorry too. Point 5. Kind words become lifelong memories. Do you celebrate small things they do? Those moments build confidence inside them. Your voice becomes their safe place. Love leaves memories too. If you've raised your voice before, you're not alone. Every parent has hard days. Your child is always showing signs, even when they don't say it. Watching this means you care deeply, and caring parents can always reconnect. Save this video for difficult days. Share it with another parent who needs this. Because children remember words, but they remember love even more.